Namaste. Welcome to the Press Handstand journey with Sandip.
During shoulder and the back injury, practice under supervision of your personal trainer. Now pull your arms to the chest and feel the shoulder stretching, one time for the right, one time for the left, and feel the relaxation for the shoulders. The next one, keep your both arms up and catch your right arm, pull to the back of your head and gently release. Then change the same one for the left one and practice this same for 5 to 10 times more. And then cross your arms side to side. It will help you to free your arms, neck muscles, including the trapezius. After a few seconds, rest your arms and neck rotation to feel your trapezius muscles relaxed and shoulder free. And it will help you to free the neck muscles also, including the cervical vertebrae. After that, neck relaxed, look forward, eyes open. Keep the both legs straight at the front and then cross your legs, move to tabletop position from here. After coming to the tabletop, adjust yourself a few seconds. Then we are going to focus into the arms rotation, inner rotation of the shoulder joints. You can look here. You just every time try to rotate your arms until your inner elbow facing forward. So during this time, make sure your back is flat and keep looking forward. Active the upper back position when you're rotating this time. Now we're going to focus into the pressing arms towards the ground and active the upper back. Every time lose the shoulder, reaching towards the ground as much as possible. After every time pushing down, try to push up and feel the stretch at the upper back position during your neck muscles. And then circle a bigger, so it will help you to free your shoulder joints, wrist joints, hip and the knee joints together. Make a perfect turn for the opposite direction again. If you rotate left to right 3 times, again rotate right to left again for 3 times. Then sit your body weight forward every time. Believe on your fingertips. See, you can look at here, my inner elbow always facing forward and lock it. And upper back always tight. I'm not arching, so you should also back longer and straight. Now from here, for few seconds to relax to your shoulders, start rotating your shoulder. Every inhalation up, every exhalation down. And repeat the same for the other direction. If you repeat 5 times from front to back, again change the direction and rotate again. Then after that, cross your arms to free your arms. And then we are going to come into tabletop again and turning the palms towards your chest. Keep your inner elbow. See, you can look at here, my inner elbow facing forward. As much you can sit your body weight back. When you're sitting the body weight back, remember your upper back tight and scapula active. See, I'm every time reaching towards my heel and feeling the wrist stretching. So it will help you to free your metacarpal, including your wrist joints. After that, exactly the same position maintain. I'm going to just turning my fingertips. My right fingers to the right side, left fingers to the left side. Keep your upper back tight and moving side to side. Again, you can focus here that my inner elbow facing forward. I'm not bending my elbow and not pushing inside. Again, this is the side position. You can look at here. I'm not arching. I'm not pushing back so much. And then free your arms and the wrist. Now using what yoga strap or the towel you can use here. Catch the strap. It's according to your flexibility. No need to force into the shoulders or your arms. So as you can see here, just pressing arms same way. So feel every time the chest muscles, means pectoralis and your armpit. When you're pressing it back, you can feel that your both scapula or the shoulder blade pressing your upper back inside. It's a good one when you're lifting your both legs off towards the ceiling during your handstand. Now this is the side view. You can look at me. I'm not so much arching, but only when I'm pressing my hands back, that time my scapula helping me to pressing my upper back inside. Now the movement with the strap, keep your arm side to side and every time find your bicep back of the head without bend the elbow. So it will help you free the shoulders, including the armpits. And then if you feel you are flexible enough to rotate your complete arms to the back to the front, you can. Otherwise, avoid this one. If you feel your shoulders really stiff, you first focus this one. During the handstand, the first one, you should focus into the arm stretching or the shoulder rotation. So it will help you to free your upper back position and activate the muscles of the upper back so you can easily or smoothly pressing your handstand to the ceiling. Next one, coming to tabletop, use your fingertips every time. Try to lift your palm heel off from the mat and maintain the same position, that my inner elbow facing forward and upper back tight. So you can find that whenever I am practicing this, all the warming up for the arm strength or the flexibility. So here you can see that my back is straight and my upper back always active and tight. So it will help you to feel the body weight at your arms or activate the muscles for the upper back. Then again, remove the stiffness for the wrist. So you can simply keep your right arm forward and catch the hand and pull it towards your armpit by the left one. Same repetition, catch your left hand and try to pull it towards your chest, towards your armpit. With keep the both elbows straight. Same again, this time I'm going to pressing my palms towards the front and catching pull. Again release, change the other one, same way, pull and few second hold, 5 to 10 second, again release. So this is one is the side view. See, my upper back is tight. I'm pressing my arms forward and feeling the stretch at the upper back or my arm strength. So here, it will help you to release the stiffness from your fingers, from your wrist, so you can feel the balance when you are doing your handstand easily. So you can grab the mat tight without any stiffness, without any injury. Now from here, coming to the tabletop again, little bit far, move back and keep your hands forward. This time, find that my elbow is not crossing my body. So here when I'm pushing down and up, the time, see every time when I'm lifting up, the time my chest a little bit forward. So you can feel that my body weight a little bit shifting forward. So during the handstand, it's all about our arm strength and the core strength. So for that, every time whenever you are focusing on the arm strength and the core strength, when you're focusing in the arm strength mostly, try to find the maximum body weight should be on towards your arms. See this position when I'm moving forward and backward, that time I'm shifting my body weight towards the front when I'm moving forward. Again, I'm moving backward, that time feel the stretch at the lower back. It will help you to activate your lower back position, because lower back is really an important point when you are doing your handstand. Because when your lower back is not so much stronger enough, you can't able to hold your handstand straight. So now we are going to work on our arm strength again to activate our lat muscles, including the finding balance when you are doing your handstand or during your handstand position. So see, as you can see here, I'm going to keep my right arm up, left arm up, and feel we're pushing something on the ground. So keep the inner elbow facing forward, straight your arms and stronger your arms like a stick. And then again, free your wrist, free your shoulder, and gently moving like me. After you repeat this one a few seconds or a few repetition, like 5 to 10 times, we just stick simply to blocks, yoga blocks. And coming to the plank position. See my upper back is hunched. I'm just pressing the block and keep my arms always stronger during this movement. Feel the upper back movement. Activation the upper back is really important here when you are doing the pressing handstand. So for that, I'm just moving down and up, but maximum body weight towards front. You can look here. I'm going to press my toe on my mat and shifting the body weight for front and back, front and back. Now from here, keep your both elbow pressed on top of the blocks and try to gently arch your back. When you're arching, don't force into the lower back so much. See, my upper back is arching. So it needs to upper body activation, because the rib cage muscles are holding our upper back tightly. So need to focus into the upper back position to free your upper back. Next one, I'm going to come into my forearm plank position. See, my back is round and core is engaged. Again, like a plank position, same we done before. Just pressing your toe forward and backward, it will help you to engage your core. It will help you to active your shoulders, deltoid, and it will help you to strengthen your arms. Again, to free our armpits, to stretch our upper back, armpit, and the shoulder muscle. Just drop your head down and do the same repetition. As you can look here. Again, I'm going to come into my plank position. Keep the upper back tight without moving front to back. Just pressing your toe on the mat every time. Touch your right knee to chest, left knee to chest. Repetition 5 set at last, or 10 set if you are more stronger. Now from here, simply after repetition this one, try to move down and drop your both knee on your mat and simply move to child position. Keep your hands on top of the block and drop your head down and stretch the back. Stretch your arms and feel the stretch. Enjoy the stretch for a few seconds. Again, prepare for the second round. Same way, I'm going to repeat. Right knee to chest, left knee to chest. Every exhalation, touch to knee chest, on knee to chest, or you can touch your forehead easily to your knee. So it will help you to engage your core, feel the strength of the upper body and the arms more stronger after you repetition 2, 3 or 5 set. If you're beginners, you can practice with 2 set. If you were intermediate, you can practice with a 5 set. And if you're really advanced, so you can practice this one for 10 set. Now again, come into the plank position. We are going to focus into the push-ups. So during the push-ups, you can see, same like before, I'm not crossing my elbows to my spine line. Just shifting the body a little bit front and hold the body weight maximum on your fingertips to feel the strength and the balance together. And after that, again relaxed, same like a child position. Keep your hands on the top of the block. Again, repetition same. You can again repeat for 2 sets. If you are beginners, if you are intermediate, you can practice for 5 sets. Or if you're advanced, you can repeat this one every set for 10 times or 15 times. 5 set complete or 10 set you can repeat. After that, you can feel yourself energetic and more stronger. And then again move to child position. After repetition this one, just simply cross your arms side to side. It will help you to free your upper back and the arms again. And let the oxygen take blood circulations more into your muscles. Now pull your left arm to the chest one time. Pull your right arm to the chest one time. Then again pull your right arm back to the head. Again left arm back to the head. And free your complete arms and the upper body. Now clean your face. I think you were sweaty right now. So now free the wrist. So start rotation your wrist and feel your wrist free. And then shake your hands again a few seconds. And feel free into the flange and your metacarpal inside. Now neck rotation to feel trapezius muscles relaxed, neck muscles relaxed, inner vertebrae is relaxed, activation of the nervous systems. And after that, gently come back to the center, open your eyes, look forward. Now we're going to work on our arm strength, but during this time, when I'm pressing the block upward, feel the stretch completely at your arms and the back. Now focus with pressing the block towards the ceiling. Feel the weight of the block and work on your core muscle. When you're shifting back this time, as you exhale, try to hunch and core engage without untouch your heel from the mat and keep pushing the block all the way up. So it will help you to pressing handstand. During the press handstand, your arms would be stronger. Your core would be stronger enough when you are doing your pressing handstand. If your arms is not stronger enough, if your core is not stronger enough, you can't lift your legs up without jump. So this one is for pressing handstand. So need to practice this one as much as you can. So you can practice this one for 1 time or you can practice this one for 5 set or 10 set. It's up to you. Now, from here, keep your arms forward, hunch your back, core engage. Every inhalation, release your legs and keep your feet together. Both legs should be tight and feel like a stick and point at the toe. And it's reaching towards the mat, but don't touch every time on the mat. Keep lifting your legs 1 time up. It just keep it up and every time aim to touch your forehead in between the knee until you feel the pain at the abdomen. And then keep your arms up. Take a breathe deeply in as you exhale forward bend. And find your forehead in between the shin bone or between the knee. Relax for a few seconds. Free your breath And then again, this time I'm going to keep my both knee bent to free the abdominis muscles because we already done so much core exercise. So now drop your knee right to left, left to right. During this time, you can feel your back mobility. You can feel your abdominis muscles or the core muscles activation, or you can feel your shoulders. Now keep your both hands inside or forearms dropped. Now focusing to the shoulder stretching, neck relaxed completely, pressing your both foot on the mat. Just look forward and lift your hip as much possible, shift forward and backward so you can feel a nice stretch for the shoulders and the chest muscles. You can feel your back strength and keep moving, keep moving, keep moving until you're tired. And then try to set your lower back or the lumbar vertebrae on your mat. Feel the shoulder stretch. Little bit deeper and neck completely relaxed. Lower limbs relaxed. Breathe through your nostril. A few seconds, then come back to this position. Like a child position, keep the both knee a little bit open until your both knee placed just edge of the mat. Now put your right hand inside, left arm forward and stretch. Feel free. Breathe smoother. You can drop your forehead on your mat. If you feel your neck muscles is tight, you can use one block to drop your head down on the block and look at your left hand side. A few seconds, you can hold here at 1 minute or 2 minutes until you feel relaxed, and then again change for the left one. Put your left hand inside, right arm forward and stretch as much possible to the front. Feel the hip flexor, gluteus, hamstring. I hope and believe that you enjoy the practice. See you on a day 4, and till the time, stay safe, stay happy. Namaste. Dhanyawad.